Computer Grade 1, Ms. Risa Aquino. Ms. Menchi Misalbon, Araling Panlipunan Teacher. Helen Computer Teacher, Ms. Michelle Balbini. Araling Panlipunan Teacher, si Commandant and SLTP Coordinator, Mr. Rodel Bryson. It's my great pleasure to you, our teaching and non-teaching staff of the school. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The people in the key positions for administration, we have Student Activity Coordinator, Ms. Edna Kawi. Academic Coordinator, we have Ms. Leia Camarao. Our School Administrator, Mr. Rafael Isaac Santana. Our consultant is in America, Mr. Alvin Bautista. And of course, the school directress, Mrs. Alicia Flores Santana. And myself, the executive one, the principal of the school. My dear colleagues in the school, let's start the day and the year with bright future. We will be producing bright students and better ones. Thank you.